Here you see the opening page in MentorKit Course Creator and an overview of all the courses that are linked to our user. We will now create a new course. We do this by clicking here. The course we are going to create is about becoming more creative. The goal is to inspire people to think outside the box. We click Create, and becoming more creative is established. With Share, multiple users can access and work on the same course. By clicking here, we can see which courses are shared with us and which we have shared with others. We click Edit to edit Becoming More Creative. On the right, we can add pages. The course will consist of a short introduction and 3 lessons. We click in the fields and enter preliminary titles for the lessons. The introduction contains 3 pages. Welcome, about the course, and what is creativity? We drag the pages up to the introduction. By dropping them a little into the field, they are placed under the introduction. Pages can be dragged and moved to different places in the structure at any time, and it is easy to change the course during the production process. It is a good tip to create different template pages and then duplicate these for use on corresponding pages in the course. Individual pages and lessons with associated sub-pages can be copied, also to other courses. By pressing the pencil, we can edit and add content to the pages. In this video, we show you how to create a course page in MentorKit Course Creator.